Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to talk about WeCreat's secret tab. And it's not really a secret, it is the My Stuff tab all the way in the top here. It's plain as day, but it's the most underused tab that I'm aware of that WeCreat has within their software. A lot of people don't know what this tab does, and you never see it talked about like ever in the group here. So I wanted to point this out today and share with you what this is about and where it'll come in handy. So first up, if you're subscribed to WeCreat's Premium, this bookmark tab is where all of your bookmarked products are going to be. So if you go to the Discover tab, you see all of these products here that are available to download and use with their premium software. This little bookmark button right here, you may have clicked it before, but wondered where they went. Well, that is in the My Stuff tab. As you can see, the one that I just bookmarked shows up here. And when you're done with it, you can unbookmark it by clicking it again here. So that'll update and it looks like this. That is what the bookmark section of this tab is for. The recent project section is everything that you've opened on this computer over a course of time. It tries to remember that and it goes back so far and then it starts deleting the oldest ones for new ones. This is my design computer, so I don't open up and work on projects very often here other than screen recording and showing you guys how to do stuff like this. But if you're looking for a past project you worked on, it does kind of do like a snapshot or a saved profile of what you were working on in the past here. The purchase tab is just like it sounds, same thing from the Discover here. If you actually make a purchase here, that if you don't have premium or you make an actual lifetime purchase, that will show up on the purchase tab here. I just have not done that here. Next up, you have the User Center. So the User Center, I'm going to black out a lot of this from my personal information, but this will show up all of your personal information at the top. And then if you scroll down, this is where you can subscribe to the premium. So a lot of people ask how you can subscribe to premium. You can do that right here. A lot of times you'll get a pop-up on your screen to activate premium. If you already have premium, you can activate it with that pop-up originally, but you can subscribe right here if you want to do that. Last but not least, the most helpful, important thing of this tab is the Learning Center here. So the Learning Center, they have Vision, Vision Pro, Vista, and the Lumos here. So these are just videos that kind of show you how to get started with the videos. But there's also the main user's guide here. So you can click on that. That'll show you how to use Makeit, all of the different features within the Makeit software here. And then you also have just the WeCreat's regular website at the top. But the most important section of this right here is all of the product support for like all of the individual machines. And you have the hotline number. A lot of times people can't find that hotline number. It is built in right to the software here. You can submit a help desk ticket from here as well. And then you can join their official Facebook group from here too. But these product supports, so let's just say you got the new Lumos. Let's click on that. That'll open up this tab. It shows you like a beginner guide, troubleshooting, maintenance such as cleaning. So that's a super helpful tab to have and an important section to have to get access to it quicker. Can you get to this by going to the WeCreat's website? Yeah, you can. It's just a little bit more convoluted and not as straightforward as just clicking a button here and going straight to it. But that's pretty much it for today's video. I wanted to keep it as quick and to the point as possible of what the My Stuff tab does. And we'll catch you guys in the next one.